Hello everyone. Today, we will program a key for a 2023 Mazda Axela in case of total key loss. Program these two keys with the KEYDIY-X4. Click IMO Programming. Select Mazda. Click Sell Step by Vehicle. Click General. Select Mazda 3. Select After 2020. Start execution. Select number of keys. OK. Current number of keys, 2. Confirm. Select all keys lost. OK. Confirm. We now wait patiently for a moment. Now, wait patiently for another 3 to 5 minutes. At this point, it is normal for the vehicle alarm to go off. Please wait for approximately 30 seconds. After the alarm stops, click Confirm to continue. Now, the alarm stops. Click Confirm. OK. Save the file. Click Back. Now, we follow the operation prompts to proceed to the next step. Hold down the Start button for 10 seconds. When the indicator light turns yellow, press the Start button again. Confirm. Now, the vehicle alarm goes off, and we wait for approximately 30 seconds. Now the alarm stops. Confirm. Now wait for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, the alarm will go off. Confirm. Confirm. Turn off the ignition switch. Now we wait for another 30 seconds. Okay, now 30 seconds have passed. Now follow the prompts to perform the next operation step. Turn on the ignition switch. When the indicator light turns green, hold the key close to the Start button. When the indicator light turns green, hold the key close to the Start button. Confirm. Matching successful. Now match the next key. These are still the same operation steps. Confirm. Cancel. Now follow the prompts to perform the next operation step. Turn off the ignition switch. Press the brake pedal and press the Smart key against the Start button for 3 seconds. Turn off the ignition switch and start with the next key. Matching completed. Test the functions. The remote works normally. The startup works normally.